Well, hello again, folks. Yeah, it's just me. Just got a little thing to show you guys. But before I do that, here's the weather forecast. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day. You know, isn't it just great? You can look upon those mountains. Now, I'm looking through the viewfinder, and the sun's just above my left eye, so I can't really see the mountains too much. I hope I'm getting something in there. But anyhow, yeah, so what I have to show you is when I was in the process of building my truck, I took little things like alternators and everything like that, well, the alternator in, and got it rebuilt. And apparently, you know, I had it kicked up a little bit in amperage. And for the last few days I've been driving around, and there's been a few little noises collecting in it, you know, that I got to work out. But the alternator, you know, well, I've had my truck on the road now for off and on for a couple of years, but listen to this. Okay, this is the alternator that I had rebuilt. It's all been redone, and Larry painted it up. But here, I'll show you if you can hear this. It takes a minute. It starts going tight. Now it's not going to do it. Well, doesn't that suck? Which way is this? Is turning the right way? Yeah. Of course it is, eh? I go to film it. It doesn't do it. There it goes. Well, anyhow, I don't know if you heard that, but yeah, the bearings are going in or whatever, but you know, it's kind of a piss off, you know. Had it rebuilt, you know, by a professional. It's all he does is alternators and starters, and it see? Yeah, you know, and it doesn't even last a year. And then, this alternator, sorry, has been sitting, well, I don't know, for quite a while. And I just put it in, and it's perfect. It doesn't even make a noise. And another thing is, when I had my other alternator in, and I jump into it, turn it on, and the volt gauge would go up to like 12 volts, and then when I fired it up completely and got it going and got a bit of an idle, it would go up to 14. But with this one in, as soon as I fire it up, it goes whoomp, right up to 14 volts. So I don't know. I don't think they did a very good job rebuilding the other one. But anyhow, that's just my little kind of rant, whatever. You know, quality. I don't know. But anyhow, I gotta go. My battery's telling me it's gonna die. So yeah, that really kind of sucked. I mean, it looks all pretty and everything like that. It's all, you know, nice and clean and everything like that. But I could just take all this stuff out and put it on the other one. But not too worried about it. But anyhow, yeah. So I hope everybody's project's going good. Life is good. Family's good. And that's about it. Okay, everybody. Before my battery dies, everyone take care. Peace out and build on. Bye.